betting on whether the headline is about to happen. In 2026, people are turning $10 into thousands. Just by predicting government shutdowns, elections, and Bitcoin crashes. And the craziest part? It's completely legal on platforms like Kalshi. But there's another platform. Faster. Riskier. Explosive. Polymarket. One is regulated. One is controversial. And one mistake can wipe you out instantly. So the real question is, are you early to a financial revolution? Or about to step into a digital casino? Stay with me. March 2026. A trader in New York makes $12,000. Not from Bitcoin. Not from stocks. Not from options. He made it betting that the US government would shut down for 3 days. Not gambling. Not guessing. He used a prediction market. And here's the scary part. You can start with just $10. Today we're exposing the battle of 2026. Kalshi versus Polymarket. Two platforms. Two different legal systems. Billions of dollars at stake. And one question. Can you really make money betting on the news? Imagine instead of arguing on Twitter about who will win the election, you could buy shares in the outcome. If you're right you get paid. If you're wrong you lose your stake. That's prediction markets. They let you trade on real-world events like, will the Fed cut rates this month? Will Bitcoin hit $100,000 in 2026? Will a certain political candidate win? Will inflation drop below 2%? It sounds like gambling, but here's the twist. These markets often predict outcomes more accurately than traditional polls. Why? Because when real money is involved, people research more carefully. And that's where the war begins. Kalshi is fully regulated in the United States. It's approved by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. That means, legal for US users, KYC required, USD deposits, bank transfers. Kalshi offers contracts like, will inflation be above 3% this month? Will the Fed raise rates in June? Will a government shutdown happen? It works like this. If you buy a yes share at 40 cents, and the event happens you get $1, that's a 150% return. If it doesn't happen you get $0. Simple, transparent, legal, but there's a catch. Because it's regulated, it has limits. Certain political markets are restricted. It moves slower, less wild. It feels like Wall Street. Safe, but controlled. Now let's talk about Polymarket. This platform exploded during elections. It runs on crypto. Mostly USDC stablecoins. Built on blockchain. No banks. No traditional brokers. You connect a wallet. You trade instantly. And the markets? Way more aggressive. Will ex-politician drop out this week? Will Bitcoin hit $120,000 before July? Will country X enter a conflict? During the 2024 US election cycle, Polymarket reportedly processed hundreds of millions in volume. Why? Because it allows faster reactions to breaking news. Breaking headline at 2:13 p.m. Market shifts at 2:14 p.m. It's like trading news before analysts finish their tweets. But here's the problem. It's not officially allowed for US users. It operates in a legal gray area. So, high reward. High speed. Higher risk. Let's be real. You're not here for theory. You want to know. Can $10 turn into something real? Yes. But not how you think. Most beginners lose money because they treat prediction markets like casino bets. Smart traders treat them like information arbitrage. Example. News leaks that inflation numbers might be higher than expected. Kalshi contract. Inflation above 3%, trading at 30 cents. You research energy prices, shipping data, CPI trends. You believe probability is 60%. Market pricing says 30%. You see mispricing. You buy. If correct you more than double your money. This is probability trading. And here's something most YouTubers won't tell you. Prediction markets sometimes move before stock markets. Because insiders, analysts, and political junkies react instantly. Sometimes these markets act like early warning signals. Here's what makes 2026 different. AI. AI models now scan news in real time. They analyze sentiment. They auto-trade. Which means, the edge is shrinking. Retail traders must move smarter. Instead of chasing headlines, you must anticipate them. And here's a powerful strategy. Don't bet on the obvious. When 90% of people think something will happen, the price is already expensive. Real profit hides in unpopular probabilities. Let's talk danger. Liquidity risk. Some markets don't have enough buyers/sellers. You can't exit easily. Legal risk. Polymarket restrictions in certain countries. Accounts can be frozen. Emotional trading. News triggers fear. Fear kills accounts. Or binary outcomes. Unlike stocks, there's no partial win. It's either $1 or $0. That's brutal. You must manage position sizes. Never go all in. Start with $10 to $50 per trade. Think like a statistician, not a gambler. How to start with $10. Step 1. Choose one event you deeply understand. Step 2. Study historical patterns. Step 3. Calculate probability. Step 4. Only trade when market pricing is wrong. Never chase hype. Never revenge trade. Never double down emotionally. And most importantly, track every trade. If you can consistently beat market probabilities by even 5%, you're ahead of 90% of users. Here's the truth. Prediction markets are not about predicting the future. They're about pricing uncertainty better than others. In 2026, information moves faster than ever. News is money. Timing is money. Probability is money. But discipline? That's everything. So the real question isn't, can you make money betting on headlines? It's, can you stay rational when everyone else is emotional? Because in markets like Kalshi and Polymarket, the calm trader wins.